In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background on Google Slides. So whether you're looking to personalize a presentation or simply add some visual flair, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, the first thing you need to do is sign into your Google account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. If you have multiple accounts, you'll be prompted to choose the one you want to use. Simply click on your desired account and proceed by entering your password. Then click Next to continue. After you're signed into your account, you'll notice a small grid of 9 dots, like a collection of squared icons in the top right corner. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, scroll until you find the Slides icon. Once you've spotted it, click on Slides to open the application. Now that you're in Google Slides, you'll need to select the presentation you want to modify. Scan through your files and find the presentation, and once you have found it, just click to open it. Once your presentation is open, it's time to select the specific slide you wish to alter. Navigate through your slides and choose the one you want to enhance with a new background. With the slide selected, look towards the top of your screen. Here you should see various options. You'll want to click on Slide. In the main toolbar adjacent to the slide option, there's a button labeled Background. It's typically nestled between the Layout and Theme buttons, so keep an eye out for it. Click on the Background button to proceed. At this point, a small window will pop up on your screen. Within this window, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Go ahead and click that. This action will prompt another small window to appear, giving you the option to browse for an image. Hit Browse, and this will take you to your computer's file directory where you can select the image you want to set as your background. After browsing, locate the image file you wish to use, and once selected, click on Open. This will upload your chosen image as the background for the slide you've selected, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly add a custom background to any Google Slides presentation. This addition can truly make your presentation stand out and leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy presenting!